Morning, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to share another what I eat in a day. It's going to be a little bit different because I'm here in Japan on the countryside. Max and I will be here for the upcoming 3 months, which is kind of crazy, and we're kind of getting settled. We're staying at a place right now that is temporary. In a couple of weeks we're going to be moving more to a bigger house. While a lot of things change, also my nutrition kind of adapts here because the foods are obviously so different. I also did bring so many things from the United States just to make sure that I'm going to be feeling my best, because I wasn't really sure if there was a store around here, what the restaurant situation was. There's definitely some cute cafes and restaurants around here, and Max and I have been kind of like cooking up some things. I'm going to show you quickly the kitchen that we are working with right now. So this is it. Is where the magic happens. We went to the store and just grabbed some like cutlery and basic pans and stuff. Max also had some from last year. And then this is my little, or not so little, this is Max and I's snack corner. We brought some stuff from the United States, and then here we got a rice cooker, which is so convenient, and I got a little fridge. So I truly believe like you don't need a lot of space or fancy kitchens or tools to make healthy and simple meals. So yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast today. I honestly haven't really prepped for today. Like I feel every day our schedule's kind of up in the air because we're working with nature and we're working with the weather. So if it's a rainy day like today, we're probably not on the farm. So yeah, we'll see what we're doing today. We probably have lunch and a dinner out, but I'm not 100% sure. But I definitely love making my breakfast first thing in the morning. Something healthy, something high protein that just kind of keeps me full throughout the day. So let's go make it. Let's check it out. Let's see. Cucumber, veggies, and then a little yogurt. Perfect. All right, we're gonna get started. Ingredients: cucumber. The one thing I'm not loving here is that everything you buy in the store is wrapped in plastic, but that's what we're working with. Steamed veggies from last night. This is squash, sweet potato, daikon, so probably gonna use that. And then we're gonna make some eggs, and I'm thinking also doing a little bit of yogurt because 2 eggs is not enough protein for me in the morning. I'm gonna start on the cucumber. Make a little cucumber salad. Max made a really good one the other day. I think he just used some olive oil on it, but I always love using veggies for breakfast as well. Adds a lot of fiber to it. For some reason, I like the baby cucumbers always more, the Persian cucumbers. I don't know, when they're smaller, they just taste better. Okay, some olive oil. Guys, also adding a ton of olive oil. Extra virgin to any type of vegetables and stuff is so amazing. So many healthy fats and so good for hormones. Some salt. Okay, and then I'm just gonna let that sit for a little. So now let's get started on 4 eggs. I got 2 left here. I go between scrambled and soft boiled. Sometimes soft boiled is a little bit easier because I feel it's less cleaning in the morning, but I do really love my scrambled eggs. Debating if I should make a little omelet. Like roll it up.
Like a Japanese one?
Like a Japanese one? Guys, this is always like what happens when I am saying like I want to cook something really simple, quick and easy. Then while I get into the cooking, I'm like, oh wait, we're gonna do a little this, gonna a little bit of that. And then like I end up with like a gourmet meal. But I mean, today we're gonna keep it simple. I'm just thinking if the way it's laying now, I'm like maybe an omelet will be better for today. I have a good kitchen tool for it. Guys, this is a little trick to get the nicest scrambled eggs, the ones you see in like the restaurant, is you go from the outside in on a very low heat, kind of like a folded egg. And then right before, when it's slightly undercooked, that's where you like take it off the heat. We're gonna get a little bit of leftover rice. I don't know what it is, but sometimes food has like a time and a space too, because I don't love rice for breakfast as much at home, but here it's like different. I have some of my leftover veggies. And then we're gonna add some natto. You guys, this is like fermented soybeans. It's like so slimy. Oh. At first, I really did not like this, but with a little soy sauce, it's actually so nutritious. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna add some eggs. The cucumber salad. My eggs. Okay, breakfast is ready. I was gonna make a little yogurt as well, but I might use that as a little snack later because this seems like a good, nice little breakfast. We got eggs, cucumber, and then I have some warm rice with veggies and natto. I just need to show you guys the natto briefly here, how sticky and slimy this is. But it's actually so good with a little bit of egg. I guess it's a Japanese meets Western brekkie for today. I went to the store a couple days ago and I got this. I thought it was furikake, but then I put a Google Translate on it when I left home and it looked like it was a wasabi something, so I'm just trying to figure out what this. Okay, I think it could be good. I'm just gonna add a little bit. Definitely chefs it up. Let's try it out. Of course, on camera now my chopstick skills are failing big time. Okay, there we go. The last few days Max has actually been making me breakfast, which has been really nice. Usually I'm the one always making the food and he cleans up. But I think because he spent so much time in Japan when he started to cook, he's been really enjoying cooking here, and I'm not mad about it because it's nice to wake up and just have a really nice breakfast kind of ready. I think it's also nice because we like the same foods. Like we love like fresh foods, we love healthy foods and like high protein and stuff, so he always cooks things that I actually really enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna eat this slimy stuff and I will see you guys later. Okay, we're gonna make a little mid-morning snack. I'm gonna make a little yogurt bowl. I found some Greek yogurt. There was so much yogurt in the aisle and I was just like with my Google Translator on the back trying to figure out which one had the most protein, and I ended up on this one. It's 11 grams, so that's great. And then I'm gonna add a little granola. We've been bringing our own granola from the States because the one thing is there's so many fresh foods here and stuff, and even when we eat out, like it's just also amazing. Like I can eat oily and greasy food here and I feel completely fine. However though, a lot of the health products like nut butters and sugar-free granolas and things like that, that's like something more of those specialty things is not something really you find here. So that's why we brought that ourselves, and we love this one from Lovebird. This is the cinnamon one. So I'm gonna make a little yogurt bowl and eat it. We're quickly stopping here at the Nakahama HQ. We had an emergency order that needs to be sent out to the United States, so we quickly had to handle that. We're gonna stop by a little cafe in town. Okay, I'm so sorry. Also, I use the word little for so many things and I don't know where it came from or if I've always been doing this, but I'm really trying to get this out of my sentence building and vocabulary. Anyway, I was really worried prior coming here that there were not going to be a lot of cute cafes and like specialty roasters and stuff, because I really do love, especially in the weekend, like visiting a cafe and like having a little coffee or matcha. But we found 2 really cute cafes in town, so we're gonna go to one today and I will take you guys with, because it's a really cute little specialty roaster. We're gonna grab some lunch. We did a workout in the gym. This is Jason's and Max's favorite burger restaurant, but it's not just a regular burger, like you actually cook it in front of you. It's supposed to be one of the best burger places here in town because they use really good meat. We went here the other day and it was really good, so I'm honestly pretty excited. The other day there was also a very long wait, so cross fingers they have a spot. I would say this is usually more of a dinner spot, but because I'm really hungry, I feel pretty good about it.
Huh, no wait.
Perfect. Okay, so it's kind of funny because this is not a usual burger restaurant. You just get the burger patty and you don't get the actual bun on it. Oh yeah, you also get chicken. Yeah, let's get that salad. This one.
はい、ミストも。ミディアム？はい。ありがとうございます。これも。はい。
Guys, I thought it was so funny. She was like, want something to drink. I thought it was like ocha. I was like green tea. She didn't understand it until Max said it. So I gotta work on my Japanese a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna do the salad. I'll give you some veggies. Got a burger. I think mine are already pretty.
No. Yours is
cooked. Might need a little bit more cooking, but we also got rice
See here.
and some sauce. Thank you. Digestive enzymes, definitely need that with a lunch. Good call. We're gonna stock up a little bit on some groceries. Little flower shop. See if I'm gonna figure out what it is. Guys, you just have to see how much everything is in plastic here. It is so crazy. And everything looks like perfect, but it is wild. It's like, I had to restock on umibushi, pickled plums. They're so good. How cute these mini toasties are. We got back at the house and I was craving a little snack. You guys, I brought so many of my favorite True Kitchen dark chocolate. You guys know that I love my daily dark chocolate, always for dessert, but then also sometimes as a little afternoon snack. This is the hazelnut butter one. It's really good. And I also made myself a cup of tea. I've been really getting into Earl Grey with whole milk and a splash of honey. I don't know, it's just a perfect balance of sweetness, but this is my afternoon snack. shiny right now. It's like the hot baths, and we're gonna have some sushi, and we just wanted something like light tonight. They're putting so much ginger on the plate, like I love it. We got some makis. I think this is crab, tamago, egg, and then we also got this little sushi. Alrighty, we're gonna get a little snack. This is a massive supermarket. These. These are really big. We need to go to 7-Eleven, babe. Oh yeah, yum.
Which one am I getting?
This one. This is my favorite snack to get at 7-Eleven. It's called Pinot. It's basically the chocolates with ice cream in it. You get this at the frozen now. And it's really good. Yeah, nice little sweet treat. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's a little random because every day it's kind of very different here. But I just love eating here. It's like truly my favorite thing. I love eating everywhere, but especially here in Japan. I will see you guys next week. Bye.